This is the right moment for Conagra to embrace AI. Our organization has always been very creative. We like to experiment and explore.
In order to start to grasp that art of the possible, you have to start putting your fingers on a keyboard and learning. Conagra Brands is a 100-year-old food company, and a core of who we are has always been innovation. We have some of the most iconic brands in all of your pantries and all of your freezers. We have to be really clear that AI is a capability that enables the human being.
We're approaching change management as an opportunity for people to have more comfort, where they can truly lean in without that fear or anxiety about the change itself.
AI for All really started as a bit of a grassroots campaign on how we share knowledge and best practices.
Our AI in day-to-day goes into the success box for change management. We allowed people this organic way to interact with AI, to hear the stories of their colleagues and their peers, and also our vendor and partner community.
We were amazed that we had classes that were standing room only. What started out as what we thought was going to be a training session really turned into a cultural experience. We have a group of employees who are so enthusiastic about learning AI that gives me confidence that we're going to be winners in the AI game.
We've done a lot of work to advance our analytics and data science practices. What AI is allowing us to do now is to go deeper, faster.
When you layer in the AI, it will allow us to connect real demand to real lead times, to real stock availability in every location. It allows us to be much more precise on a daily basis, and that improved our customer service. The company wins, the individual wins, and the technology allows that.
The next frontier for us is starting to drive AI at scale to help facilitate our innovation process. There are so many areas that we've seen enough of the capability to know that there's a significant impact heading our way.